all of you want to create the safest pregnancy. The best way to help a parent healthy body, balance hormone, and peaceful of mind are using essential oil. But now, with so many essential oil, elder can use it. In this video, I'm going to talk about my top essential oil and how to use them for pregnancy, birth, and postpartum. So, let's jump into using essential oil during pregnancy. And my top of 5 for pregnancy are Peppermint, Frankincense, Geranium, Lemon, and Chamomile. Now, there are so many essential oils that can be used for so many different things, but it would literally take me hours to talk about it. At first, we talk about the use of peppermint. The peppermint is used for nausea and vomiting, headache, heartburn, and indigestion. Frankincense. The frankincense is used important. Please pay attention. Before 60 weeks of pregnancy is forbidden, can lead to autism. After 16 weeks of pregnancy, it's used 3 times a week for 4 weeks. The size of lantern should be used orally to increase the intelligence of fetus. Geranium. It's used for promote positive mood, disinfection, reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and it's used for relaxation. Lemon. It's used for boosting the immune system, reduce anxiety and depression symptoms, improve your mood, and helps your skin. Chamomile. It's used for relieve stress, used for nausea and vomiting, insomnia, and sleep problem, and depression. Now, Artemis vulgaris. It used the Artemis vulgaris to change bridge to cephalic presentation in 31st to 36 week of pregnancy in point BL 67. The photo shows. Now, I want to talk about 5 golden essential oils during childbirth, which can be very useful. There are Lavender, Chamomile, Sandalwood, Jasmine, and Neroli. What is lavender oil used for? The lavender used for reducing stress and anxiety, insomnia and sleep problem, skin regeneration, acne, induction of labor. It's important. Mood issues, wound healing, headache, decrease postpartum anxiety. What is the chamomile oil used for? It's used for relieve stress, insomnia and sleep problem, relieve skin condition, pain relief, depression, PMS, nausea, vomiting, and it's anti-allergic. What is sandalwood oil used for? It's used for reduce stress and anxiety, anti-inflammatory, skin condition, natural aphrodisiac, mood disorder, urinary tract infection or UTI, digestive disorder, and use in time relaxation and meditation. What's jasmine oil used for? It's used for relaxation and stress relief, enhanced sleep quality, antiseptic, aphrodisiac, antidepressant, induce of labor, it's important, balance hormone, and it's galactogenous. It's used for breastfeeding. What What is the neroli oil used for? It's used for reduce stress and anxiety, insomnia and sleep problem, skin condition, pain relief, depression, reduce blood pressure, digestive disorder, and nervous disorder. How to use essential oil safely? It's important. At first, start with a small amount, by just a drop, and gradually increase the based on your tolerance. Avoid putting essential oil directly on the skin unless otherwise directed. Some essential oil can use skin irritation or rash. Please pay attention, don't ingest essential oil. There is not enough evidence to prove that it's safe. Consult with your doctor or qualified aromatherapist with question or concern. Since the research of essential oil for aromatherapy is limited, talk with your healthcare team if you're considering aromatherapy while pregnant or breastfeeding. Thanks for being with me in this video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel and make sure you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you. Bye bye.